In primetime news this evening, no renewal. Government to pull plug on JPS license by 2027.
Nothing major. Opposition shrugs off government JPS license plan.
And more political billboard drama in St. James. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com or on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. So lots of talk about electricity. So here's what I'll be shedding some light on. 3 of Jamaica's leading business groups weigh in on the government's move to reform the country's electricity sector.
I saw what he did there.
Yes, and here's to hoping that Spencer Darlington can shed some light on what's to come in sports. Spencer.
Thank you, Gio. Well, Olympic champion Roger Stoner will keep his national award despite a switch of allegiance. We'll tell you more in primetime sports later.
I don't think the other presenter has any light. I'm sure it has a lot to do with wind and sun. Here is Romain with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
Thanks, General. Yes, we do have quite a bit of wind that is expected across the area over the next couple of days. Quite a bit of sunshine as well. We're not seeing significant shower activity anywhere across the island until about Friday, and that's mainly in the afternoons across the west.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, do you agree with the government's decision not to renew the JPS's contract under the existing terms in 2027? And we're asking you viewers to give reasons for your answer.
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.